Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping both devices, headphones with enough charge and your phone or laptop with Bluetooth on. Put the headphones into pairing mode now. Usually hold the power button until the LED flashes. This signals discoverable state. Once done, scan from your device and select the headphone model name. Make sure to accept any pairing prompts. This first pairing establishes the secure link and configures default codecs, which matters for latency and sound quality during playback. You now optimize fit and settings to get full performance. Start by ensuring a proper seal, swap ear tips or adjust cups and test with a bass-rich track to confirm isolation. Next, check your device's Bluetooth codec selection. Choose aptX or AAC where supported to reduce artifacts and latency. Then, configure noise controls. Turn on ANC to cut ambient noise, or switch to transparency when you need situational awareness. These steps shape clarity, comfort, and how long you can wear them. You finish by adopting good daily habits and a single go-to-fix. Regularly update firmware in the companion app. This improves stability and battery life. Use multipoint only when needed. Otherwise, disconnect the spare device to prevent accidental switching. If sound fails, troubleshoot in this order. Restart headphones, reset and repair, then verify media volume and the app's audio output. If problems persist, run the firmware updater and retry pairing. That almost always.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.